Greetings CM2, and today we are on our final lesson of the term, and that is lesson 25. Congratulations! Okay, you made it, yay! We are still in unit 12. I'm going to go by car. I'm going to go by car. Okay, good job. Now let's go to our student books and turn to page 80. Let's turn to page 80, Tom and Judy's travel blog. We have a reading here. Okay, page 80. Okay, we have a reading, but before you read, take a look at the pictures. What do you think the blog is about? So we can see the first picture. It's a picture of a map, right? We see a map here, and we see Australia, and we see a couple of places in Australia. And the second picture, we see World Solar Challenge route, and then we see this solar powered car. Okay, so you have to guess, what do you think the reading is about after seeing these two pictures? All right. Okay, so at first, as always, I'm going to read, you will listen, and then the second time I'm going to read and you're going to repeat. Okay, let's do this. Tom and Judy's travel blog. Our Australian adventure, day 15, Alice Springs. Okay, so I'm reading from the student book, page 80. Okay. Hi everyone. We're in Alice Springs, right in the middle of the country. We're very excited because today we're going to see one of the most amazing races in the world, the World Solar Challenge. It's a 3,000 kilometers long distance car race from Darwin in the north to Adelaide in the south. And all the cars are solar powered. We're going to take a look because, well, we want to drive a car like that in the future. The first WSC race was in 1987, and now it usually takes place every 2 years. There are teams from many different countries. Some of them are high school teams. It's super cool, and it's eco-friendly. In fact, we're thinking about building a solar-powered car and bringing it back next time. After this, Tom and I are heading west to Perth. Unfortunately, we're not going to drive a solar-powered car. We're going to take the train. We're going to write our next blog post in the capital of Western Australia. Talk soon. Okay, right. So this is a travel blog, and she's probably writing on the internet to all the people that follow her blog. Okay, now you will repeat. Tom and Judy's travel blog. Our Australian adventure, day 15, Alice Springs. Hi everyone. We're in Alice Springs, right in the middle of the country. We're very excited because today we are going to see one of the most amazing races in the world, the World Solar Challenge. It's a 3,000 kilometers long distance car race from Darwin in the north to Adelaide in the south. See the map for the route, and all the cars are solar powered. We're going to take a look because, well, we want to drive a car like that in the future. The first WSC race was in 1987, and now it usually takes place every 2 years. There are teams from many different countries. Some of them are high school teams. It's super cool and it's eco-friendly. In fact, we're thinking about building a solar-powered car and bringing it back next time. After this, Tom and I are heading west to Perth. Unfortunately, we're not going to drive a solar-powered car. We're going to take the train. We're going to write about our next blog post in the capital of Western Australia. Talk soon. Okay, good job. Right. And then when you are finished reading, you have to answer the questions, okay? Number 1 to 6. Number 1, where is Alice Springs? Please answer everything in full sentences. Alice Springs is in... Okay, 2. What is special about the cars in the race? You write full sentence. 3. How long is the race? The race is. 4. Where are Tom and Judy going next year? They are going to, or next year Tom and Judy are going. 5. Are they going to drive there? Full sentence, write the answer. And 6. How are they going to get there, right? How will they travel? Are they going to take the bus, the train, the ship? How are they going to get there? Okay, and then 3, you will do it alone. And the question is, in the future, do you think people are going to drive solar-powered cars? If you think yes, then you will write, yes, in the future, I think people will drive solar-powered cars because. If you don't think so, then your answer is no, and then you explain why. Okay, all right, awesome. Okay, so that's that. And then when we are finished, we are going to go to speaking. Going to go to speaking. Going to go. Okay, wait, lesson 25. Yes. Yes, okay, speaking. Okay, how do you get around town? Number 1, you look at the pictures and tell us which transportation you like and which ones you don't like. Okay, so we see subway, we see the bus, we see motorcycle, and we see bike. Yeah, I think that's it, bike. And then please write it down. What is each one? What is number 1? What is number 2? What is number 3? And what is number 4? Write it down. And then number 2, make a travel schedule for the next 7 days. So pretend you're going somewhere for 7 days, Monday to the weekend. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend is Saturday, Sunday. Where I will go. So Monday, if you go, you pick, I don't know, Jeju Island. Okay, I will go to Jeju Island. Why will I go there? I want to visit the sea. What kind of transport will you take? I will go by plane. Okay, so you fill in the answers. Okay, Tuesday, where will you go? I will go to Seoul, Lotte World. Why will I go there? I want to go on fun rides and transportation. How will you get there? I will get there by subway. Okay, so write down. I will get there by. Okay, so you just write by, by subway, by plane, by car, by bike, whatever it is that your choice is, okay? It's your choice. All right, and then you're going to go to number 2. Where will you go on Monday? So you don't have a partner. Where will you go on Monday? Yeah, okay. Then you can write out the full sentences for number 3, okay? In number 2, make it short. Number 3, full sentences. B, I'm going to the park. So just change the answers. C, why will you go there? B, and then you write what B will say, what A will say, what B will say. You make it up, okay? And then number 4, okay, so this is you're working alone. There is no group. Okay, so something to think about. You don't have to write it down. So what is good transportation in your neighborhood? If it's subway, if it's buses, if it's taxis, then you say. And what isn't good transportation, then you say. Okay, all right, good. So it's something that you just think about. You don't have to do number 4. You don't have to write down, but just think about it. Think about it. Okay, awesome. And now, for the last time, we are going to go to our workbooks and turn to page 72. Okay? So these are our workbooks. Turn to page 72, and we have a reading, right? We have a reading. I'm going to read the reading for you. Please listen. Okay. Right. So you're going to read the reading, listen to me, and then read it again alone. And then for number 1, you know what to do. Okay. So it looks like a letter to Stacy from Nicole, subject, getting around in Japan. Thanks for your email. I'm really enjoying my vacation here in Japan. Right now, I'm in Osaka. I met some friends from college yesterday. Do you remember Brent and Todd from our college Japanese class? The 3 of us went to Osaka Castle yesterday. We went by subway. It was so crowded. Tonight, Brent's going to take me out for dinner. I'm excited because we're going to ride his scooter. I'm a little bit worried too because there are so many scooters on the road. Tomorrow, I'm going to take the bullet train to Tokyo. Did you know that it can travel up to 200 miles per hour? When I'm in Tokyo, I'm going to stay with my friend Taka for 2 nights. Then Taka and I are going to go by plane to Kyushu. We are going to rent a car there and drive around for a few days. I'm going to end my vacation in Hayama. It's about 29 miles from Tokyo, so I'm going to take the bus. Hayama has 5 beaches for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The area is known as the birthplace of yachting. The locals believe that a Japanese native built and sailed the first yacht in Hayama waters. Well, I fly home on the July 31st. My brother and sister are going to get me at the airport, and I'm going to spend August at home in Minneapolis. Where are you going to be in August? Do you want to visit me in Minneapolis? I hope so. It's beautiful in the summer. Nico. P.S. I'm attaching a photo I took yesterday at Osaka Castle. Okay, good. All right, number 1, you have to choose which sentence is true. Number 1, Nico is going to go to Tokyo by plane. If it's true, you check it. If it's not true, don't check it. 2, Nico is going to go to Kyushu by plane. Okay, and then number 2, please do the answers. Answer the questions. Number 1 to 6. Okay, good job, everyone, and good luck for your finals, which are going to be coming up soon in the next few weeks. Bye, everyone.